So today's video is all about tips. So it's going to be a quick video, but I want to show you something. What I have here is the variable. It's a variable ND filter. It has 67 millimeter in diameter. You don't have to buy a lot of filters. I have here my Tamron. Tamron has 67 millimeter in diameter, right? This is zoom lens, and this one is the prime lens. This is Sony 35 millimeter 1.8. It has 49 millimeter in diameter. So today's tips is all about getting this. This is step-up rings. They call it step-up rings. You know what? You need to get one variable ND filter. Since you maybe, let's say you have many lenses. So instead of you buying one ND filter for each lens, you can just buy one variable ND filter. So this one variable ND filter is for your lens that has a bigger has a bigger diameter. So if you buy the variable ND filter for your bigger diameter lens, that means they can work here and all through your smaller lenses if you get these step-up rings. If you get these step-up rings. So let me show you how this works. This is 67 millimeter in diameter. So it fits on this zoom filter. It fits on this zoom filter. So let's remove it here. So instead of buying another ND filter here, you just have to use the one that is bigger for your lens. So let me show you. You get this step-up ring that is fitting on your lens. So let's say this one has 49 millimeter in diameter. So I bought the step-up ring that has 49 millimeter to 67 millimeter, so that it can this 49 means for your lens, and this 67 means for the variable ND filter. So now I'm just going to install the step-up ring on my lens like this, and then so now you see this this variable ND filter now fits on my 49 millimeter lens in diameter. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. You don't have to buy a lot of ND filters. You can just buy one filter. And another tip is that you don't have to buy the filter that is not variable, because for example, if you buy a ND filter that stops almost six stops, so if you are faced with another challenge, maybe the situation that you are in requires 3 stops, so what else? So you need to get another filter for that specific requirement. So if you have this, you have options to change the stops as you like. So you are saving the money right there. Right, I don't know if there's something that I've left. If you have comments or questions, please drop them on the comment section below so that I can attend them. Maybe I can clarify via comments. So thank you guys for watching today's video up until now. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you on the next one.